Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is all about my quest to become a less hairy creature. I want to be smooth as a dolphin. I don't want body hair. I want all this hair in my head to be as luscious as possible, but no, I don't need it on my body. So recently I have been testing out an at-home laser hair removal device. I've shared it on my Instagram stories a few times and I got so many questions about it. Does it work? Things like that. I wanted to get this video up before the holidays in case you are looking for gift ideas for yourself or someone else. I think this would be a great gift. So without further ado, let's get into the device. So this is the device that I've been using. It is called Kenzzi. So it is a premium IPL handset. So this is what the box looks like. This is the back of the box. It kind of shows you a broad range of skin tones, and also it tells you what's inside. So this is what's inside the box. When you get it in the mail, you have the handset, the power plug, and also the instruction manual. The instructions are actually really easy to follow and very user-friendly, so I'm going to show you guys a demo later on in the video, but first I wanted to show you guys what the device looks like. So you have to plug it into a power supply, so it's not battery operated, which I kind of prefer. You don't have to worry about charging it. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty small, pretty portable, like the size of your hand, and you know, very easy to hold. So the reason that I wanted to try out this device is because A, who doesn't want to be less hairy? I don't know. I just don't like body hair. It's not my thing. So anyways, I had a treatment done. I talked about this in a vlog like months ago back during the summer. I had a treatment done called Mirror Dry underneath my arms. And basically what that does is it gets rid of like the sweat glands and the odor glands like underneath your arms. So I don't sweat underneath my arms anymore. So when I had that procedure done, they also said that it was going to remove the hair and I wouldn't have to shave under there anymore. So the sweating odor part definitely worked, but my hair grew back probably about, I would say 75% of the hair grew back. So basically what they told me is that sometimes people have that response and they suggested to get laser hair removal for that area. So I personally, I'm not like super duper hairy. I don't have like really thick, dark black hair all over my body, but underneath my arms or like even my legs, like if I shave that morning, by the night I already have like a 5 o'clock shadow. Like my hair goes very fast. So one of the things I really dread doing is shaving my underarms because, you know, sometimes you just forget and then you're out in public. It's like, oh my God, nobody look at me. Somebody get me a razor because I am embarrassed. You know, you feel self-conscious about that. Or even like the dark shadow, like even if you are freshly shaved, like I would still have like a dark shadow there. So this is just something that I wanted to try, and honestly, it does work. So I have been using this product for about 2 months now, and now I will show you guys what my armpit looks like now. So I haven't shaved or anything in about a week, and you'll see that there's almost like no hair there. So I'll show you guys a close-up of my armpit in just a moment, but I wanted to say that I've really been loving this device. It's a lot more convenient than going to an office. I personally did not ever schedule a laser hair removal appointment like professionally, so I don't have that to compare it to, but this is like not really painful at all. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say it's probably like a 2. Like it is less than like a pinch. Like, it doesn't even feel like a pinch. I don't know how to describe it. It's just like a little, kind of just like an annoying like little thing like that, but it doesn't hurt to me in my opinion. But yeah, it's definitely more convenient, and if you want to use it on, you know, discreet areas, then it's not like uncomfortable to be with like a technician, because I've never even had a bikini wax. And yeah, I love that you can just do it in the privacy of your own home. It's also a lot cheaper than going to get it done professionally. So this device retails for $299, and I'm gonna have a $30 off code for you guys. So in comparison to what you'll pay per treatment at a professional, the cost is so much more affordable, but they aren't the exact same thing. IPL is a little bit different than what you would get in an office setting. So IPL stands for intense pulsed light. So the pulse light is a little bit of more of a broad spectrum versus the laser at an office and professional setting is a little bit more specific and targeted. So that's the main difference between the two. Like I said, I haven't actually tried the professional laser hair removal, so I can't compare it. But honestly, since getting this device, I don't really feel the need to book an appointment to get it done. So now I'm going to answer a bunch of questions that you guys sent in on Instagram stories because you guys had some really good questions. And so I have some answers answers to read off. Like if I don't know the answer myself, or if I don't want to like misspeak about something, I'm just going to be reading it off my phone because I don't want to like say the wrong thing. But yeah, I'm just going to get into some of the most frequently asked questions. So the first one that a lot of people ask is what areas you can use it. Can you use it on your face? Can you use it on the bikini area? And yes, it is safe to use anywhere but around the eyes. So you want to avoid like the eye area. So I wouldn't be doing it all around here, but you can use it on your face. You can use it on your bikini area. You can use it on your arms, legs, all of that. The next most asked question was how long until you start to see results. So for me personally, and I guess it varies from person to person, but for me personally, I started to see a difference after about 4 treatments. So like after a month, I started to notice that my hair was growing in a lot slower, and when it would grow in, it would be less amounts of hair. So that kind of segues into the next question, which is how long in between sessions. So you're supposed to use it once a week for 12 weeks. You don't want to use it more than once a week. That's all you need. And then so after the 12 weeks, if you see some hair still growing in, you can do a little bit of maintenance. So that I'm looking forward to. I have about 4 weeks left until I get to the 12-week mark. Next question, how long do the results last, and is it permanent? So after you go through the 12 weeks, if you don't see any more hair, you don't have to continue using it, but some people require a little maintenance here and there, which I guess is pretty normal for professional laser hair removal as well. Next question, can it cause ingrown hairs? Me personally, I've actually noticed a decrease in ingrown hairs. So I've gotten like ingrown hairs like underneath my arms before, and that is super painful. But this, it does not cause ingrown hairs, and they said it can actually get rid of them. So that is great. The next question is, how is it different than other laser hair removal devices like Tria? So for this, they said that Kenzzi has a total of 300,000 flashes, which means your light will keep going for 10 years, which is a really long time. You don't need any maintenance or replacement parts. Another thing that sets it apart is they have this feature called Glide. And so basically you can just glide it across your skin without having to press the button every single time, which is really nice. It also has a heat detection system and 5 power level settings. So the different levels of strengths makes it so more skin tones can use it. Next question is, does it work on coarse hair? So yes, it works on all hair types. Thicker, coarser hair may require more sessions, but is designed to work on all types of hair. The next question was, does it work on light colored hair? So I have like an olive skin tone and darker hair. So this I had to ask them for because I don't know. But it says extremely light blonde, gray, or red hair, the Kenzzi will not be effective. It relies on the melanin in the hair to absorb the light. So IPL is not effective on really, really pale or red hair. Next question, what products should or shouldn't be applied after doing the treatment? And they said there really isn't anything specific. You can just use your regular moisturizer of choice. And then the last question, which I thought would be helpful, is in regards to tanning. So whether it be UV tanning or like fake spray tan, they said to not use it on your skin if you have fake tan, so you want to remove that or just make sure you're scrubbed all of it off. And then if you have been tanning in the sun, you want to wait 2 weeks before using the device. So that's it for the little Q&A segment. If I missed any of your guys' questions, please leave them in the comments below. Now I'm going to show you guys my armpit. Then I will show you guys how to use the device. So the last time that I shaved or used the device was a week ago. So normally this is what my armpit hair growth situation would be looking like by like the end of the day if I shaved that morning. So it is definitely working. So I need to use it for about 4 more weeks before I get the full results. But you know, the proof is in the pudding here, people. All right, so now for the demo, I just plugged it in really quick and I started with a clean shave. So make sure to shave your area before doing the treatment. So you hold the green button to turn it on, and then you can also use the green button to adjust the power level. So I turned it up to level 4, which is what I usually do. And then you can just start applying it to the area and pressing the button. So this is not the glide mode just because like it's a smaller area. And you just want to go over the same area a maximum of 3 times. And that's basically it. Super easy, and it only will flash if it's pressed like directly against your skin, which is a nice feature. So that is pretty much the gist of it. It's super easy to use. It's quick. It doesn't cause any irritation. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but I love that you can do it in the privacy of your own home. So I cannot wait to start using this in all of my areas. So yeah, if you guys want to get $30 off your own Kenzzi device, use my code SL30 to get $30 off. I will put the link below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like me to do a check-in kind of like update picture of my 12-week results, and I can definitely do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Of course she's dropping it. I've dropped this thing so many times and it still works. So it is durable, it is SML clumsy proof. Why do I want to say hair laser removal? Hair laser removal device. That's backwards. Laser hair removal, not hair laser removal. Hair laser removal. Laser hair removal. Laser hair removal.